All right, what's up? Welcome back. Good morning. Hope everything is great. We got MLGO popping up this morning. Let's post some of these links in the socials just so everyone knows that we're going live in case they want to tune in. Good morning, Norcell. We got MLGO popping up. Let's see. Decent. Daily is still, we got to get up over 5. Then we can get some serious upside from there. But we'll see. It does have a very tight float, small float, under 1 mil. All right, MLGO. How you guys doing this morning? Did you trade any MLGO? MLGO had a decent move off the lows there. Once I saw it was popping up right around here, I started to get a little bit active trading. I was able to get some decent trades on it. Small green though. Kept it 300 shares about. Looks like we're might be gearing up for some continuation. Whoa! Immediate breakout after that break of 50. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Hesitated on that break of 50. I thought we were like I was like a little bit hesitant, and I was like, okay, maybe we can see the break of 50. I can get the break of the daily high, but we just shot right through. I didn't get full position there, but I got most of it. I think I got some green on that one. Does it hold and keep going? That's the real question. Do we hold and do we run? Yeah, buying the pullback off of 4.5. The thing is, if we pull back to 4.5, that might be too much. Oh shit, too early. Way too early. Have to unwind that position. There we go. Damn it, I think my last fill there was break even. Yeah, I got filled at 74 for my second entry. I could have just held that initial 300 shares and not take a 3-cent loss, but, or 2 cent, was that 2 cents? Took a 3-cent loss on that one first initial test. But I knew I was in too early. I didn't start seeing the ask start getting chipped away. So I just kind of, I sold because I didn't want to get dumped on. You got in at 378? Wow. Nice. You're up $1 a share? Nice. That's way down there. Very good. Very good trading. So you got to be up, what's that, like 20%? Pretty good. Very nice. Very nice trade. Hopefully you got some size on that as well. Could be taking that to the bank, or taking it out of the bank. Inching our way to 5. Inching our way to 5. Bitcoin almost at 55K, 45K. Damn. Massive. I'm not in Bitcoin. That would have been a great accumulation off the lows. Hindsight 2020, but it was down at what, 12,000, 13,000? This has got a micro float. Surprised it hasn't really pulled away yet. We don't really have blue skies yet. Well, really doesn't have blue skies until over 10. But we got to break 540. And then we potentially will have some light resistance up until 10 if we're in that kind of market to go to 10. Recently, it's been a little bit slower than it was last week. But that break of 540 is a solid target. I think I'm going to put a level there. That will be a great area to kind of look for. I think we're inching a little bit higher. A little higher. Slowly and surely. Are we moving up to 5 here? It's an aggressive buy up here, that's for sure. For anyone initiating their entry up here, it's definitely a risky buy. Got to be careful for those bids. Those bids could drop quick. I think we're dipping. We're dipping. How far do we come down? That's the question. How far do we come down? Thanks for tuning in for the stream, guys, this morning. Hope you guys got some good sleep last night. We're waking up and we got a nice gapper up 100% already. MLGO. Hit that like button for me. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for our new viewers. We got MLGO hitting the scanners up 100%. This is what we like to see. Gotta be careful on this dip. On the 5 minute, it's gonna be showing a shooting star on the 5 minute. So it could come down farther than you think, potentially. So if we got that shooting star or dipping to the 9 EMA, for 1 minute 9 EMA, but the 5 minute would be showing a shooting star, so that could come down a little bit farther. Unless we hold here in this same 5 minute candle, but we got 30, 40, 20 seconds left. Morgan, that happens to all of us. Careful on this dip. 5 minute shooting star. I'm gonna wait for the pull back, maybe to, yeah, here we go. Come on, 60. Give me 60, baby. Come on. Come on, lower. Let's see. Let's see this trend here as well. Yeah, it can come down lower. Yeah, that happens to all of us, Morgan. It seems like every time I go to the bathroom, there's something always popping up without me. Or when I try to go make breakfast or something. I think that could have been the dip at 71. Thanks for tuning in, guys. MLGO hitting the scans. We're up nearly 100% here. This is great to see. It's a micro float. We got some news on it as well. Announced plans to establish a practice base to train graduate students for the university. I think it's a Chinese stock though, just to let you guys know. Okay, here's the dip. I kind of want to see this dip coincide with this trend line. Ah. I got a decent fill there. I thought we were coming down a little bit more, but great move on SERA. SERA. Wow. I see SERA. If we hold those highs, I'll definitely be interested in that. Good call out, Corey. If we see another test of the lows, this would be good entry on MLGO. I want it to kiss that trend line. SERA still kind of holding those highs. That's good. If we break back over 50, I'll be interested. All right, let's take a look at SERA. Announces primary endpoint criteria met in pivotal prime study, interim enrollment to look stop due to success. And let's see, the float on that is 31 outstanding. The float, we can pull up FinViz, SERA. I see that other stock coming down to my entry point. 12 million float on SERA. Yeah, it is coming down to my entry. Kind of want to see a little bit lower. Let's see if we break these lows. If it's a strong break of 65 lower, then we'll see. I still think it's going to attempt to break the low of this candle here at 64. If we only break by like a couple cents and pull back up, then I'm in. But if we flush down 10, 20 cents, then nada, I'm not getting in. Good morning all. Finally, a green day was on a 3-day red day thanks to MLGO. Yeah, 3-day red day, I feel you on that one. It was definitely challenging. the past couple of days. So good that you got green on MLGO. We had some solid, this has been some solid action so far. Especially for those primarily pre-market traders. I hope you guys came out nicely green. Let's see a quick pullback. Let's see a quick swipe under 64, pull up and rip to the highs on 5. That's what I want to see. I don't think we're going to see it though, so I don't know. Consolidating real tight here. SERA taking a dump. Didn't quite get over that 350 mark that I was looking at. The reason I didn't want to trade it until back over 350 because that was the original high of about 830. And if you're consolidating under that previous high after you already broke out of it, it's usually a bearish signal. Because we broke out, but we couldn't hold those levels. We pulled back underneath. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. Bring it down, baby. Bring it down. I want to see 60. Yeah, I want to see a 63. 63, quick dip, and then rip it back up to 5. Jumping out at 482. Very nice trade, Baja Express. Very nice trade. Here we go. It's consolidated so long that this trend line's up a little higher now. See the 5 minute. 5 minutes still suspended off the EMA there. That 9 EMA. I can go for the break of 480. 478 maybe. Wait. Okay, we holding this area? Just to manage my risk, it's hanging around this area a little too long. Okay, I was wrong. Ooh, that's tough. Still light volume. We literally traded 68,000 shares and 30,000 shares. I think that's a good sign to leave it alone for right now. We didn't get a reaction that I thought we were going to get. I think I'm gonna hold on to what I got here, pre-market, unless we see something decent. I'm not just gonna lose myself trading this low volume chop. I mean, I was down 135. Yesterday I was down 135. The day before that I was down like $7. So, I mean, making back a chunk, but nowhere near as much as, you know, I should be to make that back. But okay, wait. We're gonna curl back up over 78. Seems like volume's just dying too much. Let's check my scanners, see what else we got on here. See what else is on the menu for today. GBNH. GBNH, nope. Not really my style. GBNH, not really my style. We can take a quick look at that. A little bit off the highs there. Underneath VWAP, consolidating, penny stock. Three things that I don't like. Consolidating under VWAP, too far off the highs, and penny stock. Especially sub 50 cents. I do not like sub 50 cents. ZVSA. Let's see ZVSA. This one had a quick pop. Consolidating way under VWAP. Volume dying. SERA. This one's actually SERA and MLGO are the ones that I like. Let's pull up SERA. If we can get that break back over 350, we could see something. Let's take a look at the daily with 180 day. Got some overhead resistance at what are we up at? 320, 325, 350. 425 is the target. 425 is the target. 350. First target is break at 350, and then we get up to 366, and then hopefully we can run to 420. Not sure how actively I want to trade this yet, because there could be a scalp maybe through 37. Break at 37. Not strong there yet. Not strong there yet. Thank God I didn't take that. Took 22 cents off SERA, kicking back until open. Nice, Trader Blaze. 22 cents. Hopefully you got some size on that. IGHL may have action at the open. I can pull that up in a second here. IGHL. IGHL or IXHL? I don't see or is it LGHL? Oh, LGHL. Still a little bit light volume. SERA, I like SERA. Okay, I was a little bit antsy there. It's a little antsy there. I was trying to catch a break at 350. It wasn't as strong as I thought. Sold for break even. Thank God I was able to manage that risk. That was a really very bad trade, actually. Very extended. Maybe not. I don't know what I'm talking about. I guess we're going to the highs. Are you gonna reject these highs again, or what? What are we doing here? I'm on the edge of my seat. Volume coming in. It closed above that level. There seems to be no panic yet. Might have to let this breakout go without me here. That would have been decent. I'd like to see a pullback. I would like to see a pullback. Oh, what was that? Dude, what the hell kind of pullback was that? Come on. Am I about to chase this up into the whole dollar? The bids didn't even go over 4. Thank God I didn't go for that. Now, I'm not chasing into the highs. That does not reward in this 2023. Chasing into an extended whole dollar breakout rarely has been working this year. In 2022, you can just say, oh, break a 4, even though it's after it's made a whole dollar a share move. It'll go another $1 or $2. Now, not anymore. The bids didn't even go over 4. Let me see a fat pullback down to 365. Let's see a fat pullback. Still not. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. Pull back. Give me that pullback. Thanks for tuning in for the stream, guys. For those new viewers, hit that thumbs up button for me. Hit that subscribe button for me. Support the stream. We got SERA popping up. This baby's up 88%. Got some decent volume on that. Waiting for a pullback here. Hopefully it doesn't dump like the previous 2 pullbacks, but gotta risk it for the biscuit. We got Baja Express repping the new sub still up in the top right. Baja Express, shout out our newest sub to the live stream. If you guys want to rise the ranks to the newest sub, hit that subscribe button while you're on stream. We don't really have a solid pullback yet, but it might go. Shorts may be squeezed here. Come on. All right, now I want 380. 380 would be nice. Okay, 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 okay. Uh-oh, might be too early. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I think that was it. I should have sold half on that last one. Come on, just give me one more little kiss to 80. Damn it. That was a good entry. You should have been scaling out. The reason I like to recycle shares like that is because it limits my downside risk. Because on dips, market exposure as it's coming down can be very risky if you're too early. And judging by these previous dips, okay, okay. Anyone catch that breakout? Hopefully that market leaves something for the open here. Wow. Wow, high day volume, 375,000 shares pre-market trading. Oh my God, in this 1 minute candle. Crazy. A little bit of FOMO in the market. We're up now 110%, taking the leading gapper position. SERA. How high are we going? Did we break? We broke 425. I wasn't aggressive enough on that in that breakout. Are we gonna take this dip? This is a very high dip entry. Five-minute might be due for a pullback. 5 minutes extended off its moving averages quite a bit. Careful on the dips. Another 10 cents there, another 20 cents there. SERA is a monster. Oh my gosh. Up 125%. I got a little bit of a cushion for the open. I plan to risk this if it's gonna be hot. Probably trading 500 shares. I want to be trading this for 500 shares to 1,000 shares at the open if it's going to be strong. But sometimes when stocks go parabolic, pre-market, the market open is not as strong. So we might get MLGO could be the one at the open, to be honest with you. There's been a trend this year, like pre-market runners have not sustained their highs and continue running at the open. This year, that has been like the trend. So we might get MLGO to be the one at the open. So we'll see. We do have increasing volume, that's a good sign. Just got to break a 5. I'm not chasing it up here. Just for risk management, just from a risk management perspective. Okay, looks like the top is probably coming in soon. I see a bunch of sellers coming in on the tape. We'll see if the shorts take over from here. Can you even short this? Let's see if I can short this. Can't short it. This was a 13 million float, right? That's what we said it was. Checking FinViz, 13 mil. So we didn't quite turn the float yet. We're about 6.7 million in volume. Looks like it's struggling up here. Gotta wait for the dip entry to come to me if I'm going to be trading this. Yeah, I wouldn't discount that SERA is going to dump at the open. We're definitely going to see profit taking, but we could see a solid bounce. We should see a solid bounce play or a potential attempt at a red to green. So that would probably be the setup that I'm looking for. Either a panic dip buy or the attempt for the red to green. And anticipating the attempt. I don't want to be buying into the red to green because that may already be too late. You know, I want to be buying before that to anticipate that with the tight stop in case you just fade all day. The one thing I do want to avoid is buying SERA and having it to be a gap and fader and not doing any sort of bounce. But MLGO also is holding this area at 430, so that's also really good. It's holding the previous highs of before 8 a.m. Eastern time. It's kind of holding those highs a bit, so that's good. We could see a curl and a test of 5 at some point today if we hold that level, because it shows that there's some support coming in. So I do like that. Yeah, so like just like you said, north sale, you know, you can always get that gap and crap. There's another nice breakout there. Holy crap, this thing is freaking strong. 165%, 170%. Yeah, and I would also be careful of a dip buy into a halt down. That can also ruin your day. I've done that so many times before. Buying a panic dip and then halts down, and then it opens up 20 cents lower. Wow. Is it going to come down more? I think I might trade with 100 shares. Oh man. That was a nice dip. Could have get a potential 20 cents there. When I get to the open, usually 5 minutes before the open, or 3 minutes or something like that, the orders, I've had this happen before. I sent an order to the market and it just doesn't fill me until 9:30. And it kind of like screws you up. That's happened to me before. So I'm not going to do that. MLGO is at 417. That's not good. We got a lot of new guys in the Discord channel on the Triad Trading Tribe. A lot of new members. If you guys are in the stream, welcome to the Discord and the stream. Happy to have you guys. You guys are in the right place for education and community. All right, so I'm going to sit tight here until the open, but we're seeing action. We're seeing action. Past 2 days were slow, but today is a different day. We've got to treat it as such. And, you know, if you're one of those people who are trying to size up, you know, today might be a day to do that. We do have SCRA. However, don't follow my advice to a T. You know, you never know. After the market opens, you know, things could be dry. Always got to wait for that opportunity, wait for the volume to come in. And continue to follow your rules. Continue to follow your rules which keep you profitable. And you should be able to come out on top today. So hopefully we get some solid opportunities to continue into the market open. That's what I want to see. Jay Bizul is up 80 bucks on Sierra. Very nice. Very nice. Love to see that. Hope you guys do great today. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button for me if you're a new viewer. Hit that thumbs up button for me. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Good luck.